What is your name and how did you hear about Elephant in the Room?
My name is Blake and I heard of Elephant in the Room through some friends and it came highly recommended.
Good answer. How would you describe your experience here at Elephant in the Room?
Luxurious. I actually love all the essential oils and the people here are really nice.
There you go. Would you recommend Elephant in the Room to a friend or family member and why?
I would. If you want a higher end experience, this is a good place to come. Good value for the money.